Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time, you are very much welcome. So today we are with little Ariana and we're going to prepare some mandazi for the family. As usual, it's very easy and very delicious. I encourage you to try this recipe at home and let me know how yours came out in the comment section. And you can also find the written recipe on the description box below. And without much ado, let's get started. To start by preparing the dry ingredients, I'm using 1 kilogram of flour, 1.5 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of cardamom. Ariana, I'm going to finish all the sugar. Then mix this. Put this aside and then bring the next bowl. Melted butter 250 grams, 4 eggs, and 250 milliliters of milk. Gradually add the dry ingredients. So I'm adding half and give it a turn. It's okay to use your hands, or if you have a dough maker you can use. Then the remaining dry ingredients. So knead the dough until everything is completely mixed up. And guys, I'm going to use some little flour to clean my hands and also to flour the dough. Cover this using a clear film, or you can use a damp kitchen towel. And let it rest for 30 minutes in a warm place. There we go. So guys, after 30 minutes, I'll transfer this to my working surface. Then use your hands to just spread it a little bit. Then using a knife, we're going to divide this. So we have 6 pieces, and just roll them with your hands. Make sure it's round. Then a little flour on the working surface. Then pat it like this, and also on the other side. And using a rolling pin, you can also flour your rolling pin. Then we are going to roll it out into a round shape, and the thickness should be around half
a centimeter. 50 millimeter.
Just make sure it's round, very circular, before you cut it into 4 pieces, or any shape you like. You can cut them into squares, also maybe bigger or smaller pieces depending on your preference. And guys, my mandazi doughs are ready, so we are moving on to the next step. Heat the oil until it's very hot before we start frying the mandazi. The oil is heating. Just make sure that everything is ready. We're going to need a spider spoon for removing the mandazis from the hot oil, and also a strainer to drain like the fat before we put it into our tin. I've lined it with some kitchen towels to drain the excess oil. Sweet too, sweet. You're giving them some shape. Our oil is ready. Yeah. Then immediately turn. As soon as they rise, you turn. Guys, as you can see, our mandazis are nicely cooked. They are so full inside. See? Yeah. So just follow the recipe and you'll have this type of mandazi. So nice, cooked, so full inside. Yeah. I'm going to give my taste. You want some?
Yes.